Welcome to our YouTube channel 6 Daily Secrets. Today we're going to show you how to make a chocolate cake. Here are the ingredients. To start, first you have to add flour, cocoa powder and baking powder and sift all three together. To a bowl, add butter and beat well. Next, add sugar. After beating for a couple of minutes, you will get a consistency like this. At the same time, add eggs one at a time and beat well. When you get a smooth batter like this, add the mixture of dry ingredients. Fold the mixture to combine well. Next, add vanilla extract, fresh milk and give it a good mix. Finally, assign the batter into the cake tray and tap to prevent air bubbles. After 30 minutes, our chocolate cake is ready. Now we are going to divide the cake into two parts. Beat the butter until you get a creamy texture. Next, add ice and sugar little by little and beat well. Then add vanilla extract and mix. Apply the icing evenly. Now I am sprinkling some ice and sugar on top of my cake. You can decorate it in any way you like. This chocolate cake is very tasty. If you love this recipe, subscribe to our channel 6 Daily Secrets for more exciting videos.